Okay, this one should be pretty quick, I hope. Hope it works out right, but this is one of my latest eBay purchases. I think this is a Astatic Night Eagle or Night K Eagle D104. Night K Eagles are a little bit rare. Paid a fair bit of money for it, and it came in a box like this. So, you know, it wasn't packed good and it wasn't handled very well. Hey, it did have a fragile sticker on it. The address label was here. I took this off because I don't want to be advertising my address like that. But other than that, I didn't do anything to it. So it came like this from the post office. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. Looks like they cobbled together two packages or two boxes in one. And to me it doesn't look like it was packed very well, but we're going to open it up and see. And by the way, we recently bought these CB magazines. They came in this box, and this box is perfect, and it was packed pretty good and all that. This was also shipped through the post office, so I got a feeling that it was the packaging. But I'm going to lay the camera down here and see what we got. Got my trusty box cutter out, and gonna open her up. Okay, get the cardboard off. And we see more cardboard. Hey, what do you know? Alright, let's pick the camera up. So we took that top cardboard off here, and it's I guess you would call that a double box. More cardboard. Well, some cardboard. And we got some newspaper. And hey, we got the head here. Uh-oh, looks like it's broken off. Yep. Yeah. Let's undo the little bit of butter bubble wrap. And yep, they shipped the head connected to the mic, which is a no-no. And the head, as you can see, is broken off. So I'm glad I documented this. Looked like it had a little bit of water damage there, but that would have been okay. Would have been able to clean that. Head broken off. Other than that, it's in fairly good shape. Looks like about what it did in the seller's pictures. And that's what a bottom of a K Eagle looks like, with the built-in Roger beeps and pad on the bottom. It's got you know, two Roger beeps. Let's start at the top. The beep on or off. The middle switch is single beep or multi-tone beep. And then down at the bottom, it's got a 20 dB pad. So if you're driving a high audio gain radio like a Tram or a Browning, you put on the pad, and it really cuts down on the output, and it makes it better for driving a high audio gain radio. Oh, that bent. Yeah, it looks bent too. I'm not looking at it cockeyed. That might be me. I guess it's not bent, but anyway, regardless, yeah, I'm not gonna try to fix that. So anyway, hopefully I get my money back. Sad that people still don't know how to ship. Shippers, this is a tidbit. Shippers, all three of them, UPS, USPS, and FedEx, unless you pack it correctly, and most of them require 3 inches of bubble wrap all the way around. 3 inches around, not, you know, ½ inch or, you know, 1 inch, or putting it in something like this where, you know, the bubble wrap is like a ½ inch thick like that. They require 3 inches all the way around at least, or else they're not going to cover it. So anyway, that's it for today. Oh, by the way, look what's on the bench coming up. Got to get tubes for it, but that's what I'm working on for me. Anyway, that's it for this one. Bye.